Hi, and welcome to the Easy Way channel. In this video, I will show you how to set custom home page in Google Chrome web browser and how to add home button in top left corner of the browser. Please leave a like if this video helped you and consider to subscribe to support me. And now let's go into method. Open up your Google Chrome. Click on these three dots in top right corner and select Settings on the left side menu. Click on Appearance. Next to Show Home button, turn this switch to On. This will add home button to your Chrome and open up additional settings for your home page. Here you will write your custom page URL. So when you click on Home button, that page will open. When you enter desired page URL, click anywhere on the blank spot, and as you see, it saved changes you made for your custom home page. Now click on your Home button, and it will take you to your custom home page. And that is all for this tutorial. I hope that I managed to help you. And if I did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next Easy Way tutorial. Bye.